Hi vlog. Welcome to another vlog. It's Monday morning and I went on a walk this morning and I'm about to make a coconut water matcha with like a whipped matcha. I don't know, I saw a coffee shop near me have this and I'm like so into it, so I want to try making it. It's definitely a lot more foamy at the coffee shop, so I feel like this is just gonna taste watery because it's not even like thick, but let's try it. It's good, but it doesn't really taste like matcha. I feel like I'm just drinking milk. I don't know. It's hard to explain. How would a dirty matcha taste? Like, what if I put a shot of espresso in this? Is that a thing? I don't know. I decided I'm gonna sit outside and work for a little bit. I'm sorry if it's windy, but it's honestly a little chilly, so I feel like I need to go get a jacket. But I made a little like breakfast snack situation because I do have Pilates at 10, although it's only 8. I'm just a little hungry. So there's like a fourth or half of an apple. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's so windy. Half of an apple, some coconut yogurt, and then the peanut butter from Whole Foods. Okay, I need a jacket. It's like freezing. Pilates, I like literally died. And I also went back to Sephora to do some returns and I also spent more money, but it's okay. I love everything I got because it's like mostly repurchases or like things I've tried before. So this MEJ hair mask, it's the Dream Cream Indulgent Hair Mask. I'm actually gonna put this in my hair because you're supposed to put it in your hair like before you shower. This stuff is amazing. So happy about that. I got this Ole Henriksen Banana Cream Eye Cream, which I've used before, so I already know I love it. This Patrick Ta Major Dimension like shimmer eyeshadow duo. This is amazing. I tried it in store and like literally it's stunning. And I cannot wait to do my makeup with it tomorrow, or actually tonight, because me and Ryan are going out to dinner. It's our 2-year anniversary, which is like so amazing and crazy and fun. And then I got a couple other things. I got the Benetint in Dark Cherry, which obviously I had my way with in the Sephora because it's like everywhere all over my hand. But I have it on my lips right now and I love it. This whole lip combo I have on my lips. I got the Sephora Collection Lip Tint Felt Liner in the shade Cocoa Swipe, which is a much better shade than the one I bought in my last vlog. And then I got the Udum Guava Fresca lip oil, and the packaging on this, like I love this thing. It just like feels rich. So yeah, like I love applying it. That's everything I got. Literally love everything. So yeah. Now I think I'm gonna make a coffee and some breakfast, like some real breakfast, because my yogurt didn't really keep me that full. Also, I'm gonna try a little bit of this on my cheeks, which I know it dries like so fast, so you really gotta blend it in quickly. Also, if you watched my last vlog, you know that me and Ryan toured houses, and we're going to look at the one that we loved again before we put in an offer, as long as it hasn't already sold, because things like go so fast here. I love this. This is like such a natural skin tint for me, or cheek tint, I guess. So happy about all my purchases. I guess let's just try the eyeshadow too. I'm gonna look so fancy for therapy at one. We'll just use this little fluffy brush. We'll use the light one because there's definitely gonna be a lot of fallout. Oh yeah. That is stunning if you can see. Literally gorgeous. So I'm happy with all my purchases, and let's go make a coffee and some breakfast. I made breakfast tacos for breakfast slash like lunch. It's like noon. It's 12:30. But these look freaking phenomenal. I'm really excited. I feel like it's gonna be really hot. It's an egg, cottage cheese, ground turkey, avocado, and Taco Bell mild sauce, which is the best hot sauce. Okay, let's try it. Wow. Literally so good. Okay, now I have therapy, and I just joined, so. Hello.
Hi, Emma.
Hi.
Whoa, you're in a different, where are we?
I know, I'm in the kitchen.
Did you get a house yet?
No, but we've been on a lot of tours, and we're going back to one this afternoon. Okay, vlog, I just got ready for dinner, our little anniversary date night. I blow dried my hair, I washed my hair and everything. Shower. Dress I've worn before. It's from Zara. I wore it in Europe, and then I'm also just wearing the same boots I had paired with it in Europe. And I love this outfit. So yeah, we're gonna go tour that house again and then go to dinner. Well, vlog, you just missed gifts, but I got Ryan a Lululemon sweatshirt, and I got my own golf clubs. Look how beautiful. Vlog, we are heading to the house. Are you excited?
So excited.
So excited. I'm excited to see it again. Really just envision ourselves there, you know? Okay, we just fit.
Smell that?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, maybe it's the...
It's horrible. Okay, vlog, we just finished our house tour, and it was cute again. Nothing's changed. We still like it, so our realtor's gonna maybe see what the word is, and then I'll keep you posted. But now we're off to dinner. We're a little late, but I'm excited. I'm gonna get a pomegranate martini. What about you, babe?
Chocolate milk. I'm definitely not getting a glass of chocolate milk.
It is beautiful. It was a little chilly this morning, but cheers. Happy 2 years. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I've been vlogging so many days in a row that it's literally just all my days are like meshed together. But I just made my morning coffee. I am gonna work for a couple hours this morning. It's 8. It's only 8. That's amazing. And then I have Pilates at 10. And then I have to do like 6 mock calls for like my sales training this afternoon, and then I think me and Ryan are gonna go golfing so I can use my new golf clubs. I'm so excited. And then we're getting sushi for dinner. Like literally such a good day. And I'm feeling a bit which is just a common theme for me right now. I don't know what's happening. I think I'm just like eating like poop. I need to go back to eating like fruits, vegetables, and like go on a detox. But also like I think I bring this up in every vlog, so maybe I should just chill. But yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs and work on my computer for a little bit, and then I'll see you guys when it's time for Pilates. I look insane. I just died at Pilates, but I came home and I made my breakfast tacos again because I think I'm gonna hyperfixate about these for a while to come because they are so good. I like warmed the tortillas up so well this time. Anyways, I'm watching a little YouTube video and then, I also made matcha. I'm watching a little YouTube video and then I have a couple mock calls to do for my sales training. And I think me and Ryan are gonna go golfing later. So the mock calls are boring. I probably won't film them for you guys because boring, but I'll definitely probably film golfing and sushi. So vlog, I forgot to take you golfing with us, but we got sushi and we got tasty drinks. I got a sweet potato roll and then spicy tuna crispy rice, which it's so freaking good. And what did you get over there?
I got a sweetheart roll and spicy tuna with tuna sashimi on it.
Sex on the beach?
No, I forget what this is. But it looks good.
This look good. I'll take one bite for you guys on camera. And then I'm gonna go to town. I always start with the spicy tuna crispy rice because it's just the best. I don't really know what I was gonna say right there. Yep. Before I finish off this vlog, I'm gonna do an Aritzia haul because I just got a package in and obviously I have to open that with you guys. Da-da-da-da. I ordered some spring activewear. Aritzia activewear is my favorite, so if you've never tried it, get on it. Oh my gosh! Sneak peek. So many cute colors. I'm obsessed. Okay, starting off strong, I got this pink sports bra, which I love this style sports bra. And it's in the jelly bean pink. Like everything I got was in jelly bean pink because they had my size. I got the jelly bean pink tank. And then also the matching leggings. You guys, I cannot wait to wear this tomorrow to Pilates. No front seam, of course. This is literally the best activewear. Like I'm obsessed with our activewear. And I'm obsessed with this color. I really hope it's not like see-through. That would be really unfortunate. And then I got this really cute activewear dress that I actually love like so much. I kind of want to change into it. Okay, you guys. I fear it's only correct to do a try-on haul. So let's try these pieces on. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't absolutely love this dress. This is gonna be a return. It's just like not very forgiving in the belly. And I definitely have a belly, but like it is so comfortable. I just don't think it's that flattering on me, unfortunately. But it is like so comfy. Okay, this, however, I'm obsessed with. I love pink. It is a little see-through and you can definitely like see some cellulite, which is not my favorite, but that's what you get when you get light colored pieces. But like, I just think the pink is so cute. So this I'm definitely keeping. I'm obsessed with. Well, you guys, that is gonna conclude this vlog. I honestly don't really know where this vlog went. Like I didn't vlog at all this morning, but you know, it's fine. I love you guys and I will see you in the next vlog.